Hello, 你好. Welcome to Cantonese Chit Chat. Today we're going to learn how to count from 0 to 10 in Cantonese. Let's get started. 0 is 零. Repeat after me. 零. 1 is 一. Repeat after me. 一. 2 is 二. Repeat after me. 二. 3 is 三. Repeat after me. 三. 4 is 四. Repeat after me. 四. 5 is 五. Repeat after me. 五. 6 is 六. Repeat after me. 六. 7 is 七. Repeat after me. 七. 8 is 八. 八. 9 is 九. Repeat after me. 九. 10 is 十. Repeat after me. 十. Now let's count from 0 to 10. 零. 一. 二. 三. 四. 五. 六. 七. 八. 九. 十. Well done. If you're interested in learning Cantonese with me, feel free to book your first lesson for free. Click the link in my bio and contact me to schedule your lesson. Hope to speak with you soon. 下次見. See you next time.